It is my job as the councillor of the Flinders Ranges district to be the voice of local interest. The introduction of the world's largest nuclear waste dumping site in the Flinders Ranges region would provide immense economic benefits for our state and local communities, with professionals projecting $445 billion to be injected over 70 years. However, with the focus of monetary gain at the forefront of our minds, it is in my great fears that we lose appreciation for the globally unique landscape that consists in the Flinders Ranges. South Australia's current unemployment rate remains the highest in the country, whilst local economic growth continues to slump, extensively proving the worth of this project to civilians state and nationwide. As a result, the project seems increasingly luring. However, this leads to a concern of mine contemplating whether this project proposal would even be discussed if the current economic circumstances were not so dire. The Royal Commission has reassured the Flinders Ranges community that the dumping of nuclear waste will be carried out safely and will contain low to intermediate level radiation. However, one of the many environmental concerns that loom over the project is the longevity of the radioactivity and how long the region may be contaminated for if unfortunate events do occur. For hundreds of years, local and international tourists have enjoyed the globally unique environment that is the Flinders Ranges. It is with our great blessings that we are able to host the true Australian experience, whether it is a ride on the luxurious Coffee Pot Express or a scenic walk through Wilpena Pound. These are opportunities I never wish to constrain. The consistent income that tourism provides the local economy with is nothing to ignore either, as it is the very foundation this community is built upon. Additionally, the agricultural industry of the Flinders Ranges will be unable to maintain productivity due to a breach of the National Health and Medical Research Council's Code of Practice. This will inhibit the local agricultural industry for an extended period of time. The traditional custodians of the Flinders Ranges share deep emotional connections to the plains their ancestors walked. As well as enduring British nuclear testing during the 1950s and 1960s at Emu Field and Maralinga, Aboriginal elders are expressing the emotional harm it will cause their communities, seeing the sacred region their ancestors walked for more than 50,000 years used as a nuclear waste dumping site. A petition amongst Aboriginal communities is going viral to stop the evolution of this notion. As the project is currently in the early stages of contemplation, further details regarding its impact to the previously stated considerations will be measured. However, at the time being, with the current information available, it is in the best interest of the local and statewide civilians that we believe it is best to protect the Flinders Ranges from this potential disaster, as there is no safe level of exposure to ionizing radiation.